It's Bonnie. Happy Friday night. I got some videos for you guys. Check it out. I got a Jeffree Star mystery box. And then a little later, I got a Target haul. I got some Tree Hut. Lots of good stuff going on here. So, you know me. I love a good mystery. I need my Scooby-Doo shirt on, seriously. Got Valentine's Day on, which is appropriate for this video, but I do. I love a good mystery box. One of my favorite makeup mystery boxes is ColourPop. ColourPop does an amazing job on their mystery boxes. And then I used to get like Jeffree Star for like Valentine's Day or Halloween, and I feel like they've stopped doing the mystery boxes as much. So when I saw the Valentine's Day mystery boxes this time, I'm like, I gotta get one. I went with the little one, which was $99. I think there's 12 items in here. The big one was $175. I'm like, I'm not doing that. And you got 16 items. I'm kind of glad I went with the little box because I'm hearing that the big box had a lot of like non-makeup items in it. So I was like, and I'm looking for the makeup. I also got, check it out, I got one of the $12 Valentine's Day treats, which is the Extreme Frost. I'm kind of glad I got this one though. This one's really pretty. This one is called, I think this one is called Choking on Ice. But look at it. It's got like a purple hue to it. I don't know. I'm kind of liking this one. It's pretty. So I got that. That was a good deal. And then we're going to dig into the box. I've seen a couple of spoilers. I didn't do total full-on spoiler because I was like, I want to see what's in the box. That's the one thing about a mystery box. I feel like years ago, the mystery boxes were more of a mystery. Now, you know, everybody's putting the same thing in their mystery boxes, so it's not, you know, quite a full mystery. So let me open this up and see what is inside. Okay, you ready? Check it out. Always a good job on the packaging. I'll have to say they put a ton of tissue paper in here, which is nice. And then first up, this is the Heartbreaker hand mirror. Oh my gosh. I think some of them, I thought some people were getting a blush set, and I thought people were getting a hand mirror. I don't know if I want the hand mirror. This is the kind of stuff that you kind of go, I really wish I got makeup. It's cute though. Check it out. Little hand mirror. I'll have to say, Jeffree Star does do a good job on the mirrors. They're really, really clear. And when you're over 50, you need a clear mirror because nothing's going on right without good lighting and a good mirror. So I will use the mirror, definitely. I just wanted the blush. I can't remember. I saw somewhere that there was like a choice. You either got a mirror or blush. I don't know. We're going to see what else is in here. This is the, a selfie light. Yeah, what? A selfie light? Seriously? No. No, I don't want a selfie light. So this is kind of going to make me rethink these mystery boxes a little bit because I kind of do think you'd be better off. What the heck is this thing? Okay. Where does this thing clip? I don't even know what this thing does. Does it clip on your phone? It must clip on your phone, but like, I have no desire for a Jeffree Star clip-on selfie light. Okay, so that was dinger number 2. People weren't kidding. This is not the best box. Oh, okay. Check this out. Okay, I think I know what this is. This isn't exactly a good deal either. Oh my goodness. Okay. I can't get it open. I think this is just the magnetic box. Yes, this is the box for the single eyeshadows. Let me get this out of here. Now keep in mind, $99. So let's add it up together. So we got, oh my gosh, this needs to be opened. Where's my opener here? Again, mystery boxes used to have like all makeup in them. And like I said, now it seems like we haven't had a mystery box in a really long time. And, you know, we're moving towards the like stuff instead of makeup. Now, keep in mind, I do have one of these, so it's not that exciting. What this is it's like magnetic, and you can stick these single ones in here. I almost think, like, honestly, the 12 days of Christmas deal, that was the best deal, because everything was like $12, including, check it out, I just got the blood sugar palette, which I already own. So, I mean, this is not a bad palette, but keep in mind, these were going for $12 over Christmas. This actually is really pretty. I gotta say, one of the reasons, again, why I, shop at Jeffree Star Cosmetics is because of the pigmentation. These bronze shades are really, really nice. I like brown. Red's not so much. There's a couple of things in here I'll use, though. So, I mean, not a terrible thing. At least we got a palette. Okay, next up. Oh, actually, this isn't bad. Okay, this is better than I thought. I got 1, 2, 3. I got 6 eyeshadows, singles. That's actually not too bad. When I heard we were getting a phone ring, Jeffree Star phone ring. No, I have no. I'm not gonna put you the Jeffree Star phone ring. Okay, that's a no. But these little eyeshadows are actually not too bad. Okay, let me see what colors. Oh my. Okay, so the first, of course this is a color I don't like. It's red. No. Okay, I got red. I was actually hoping for some purples. What shade is this? I don't even know what shade this is. It's called Suck. It sucks. Oh boy. This one is Death Certificate. This is from, see, these are from the palettes though. So, let me see here. I'm gonna open this up. So yes, suck one of the colors in here. I can't read. I don't know. But I know Death Certificate is, I actually like this shade though. It's not a bad shade. I do like that cremated palette. That's actually not a bad palette. Let me see. What's this one? This one is Goodbye. Yeah, that's from the cremated palette. These are all from the cremated palette, I think. This one is Life Insurance. I want to know who works on the marketing team for Jeffree Star. Seriously, who comes up with all these? They're kind of creative. This one is Orange Juice. My guess is this is from the Jawbreaker? Guessing this is from Jawbreaker. That's like a really orange. And then the final one is, what is this? The Morgue. That's another one from the cremated palette, which I just got, by the way, for $12 over Christmas. So the color selection, oh my. Okay, so then I got, oh my gosh, what the heck is this? It's a rose quartz. Helps with developing self-love and improving relationships. It cracks me up. I'm not the demographic for this box. Seriously, over 50, married 22 years. Got a little Jeffree Star bracelet. Okay. Oh, a gloss. I like the gloss. The gloss is actually good. It's called Spank Me. Let me see. I think I know what shade this is. Actually, it's not a bad shade, believe it or not. I do like this shade. It's like a really bright pink. Let's see if I can get this out. Oops, there we go. Check it out. You know what, though? This looks like it's been sitting around for a little while. Check it out there. It's completely, it's not mixed up at all. Oh my gosh. See, that's the bad thing. A lot of times, this is going to be like old stock. I want to see if I can mix this up a little bit. I might be able to mix it up, but this is like really weird. Okay. I got a velvet, this is a Velvet Trap lipstick. Oh, please let this be a shade that I want to wear. You never know with Jeffree Star. That's the thing. When you're getting a mystery box, I like the packaging, though. I gotta say, the carton is kind of cool. I thought we were supposed to get a skincare product in here. I'm not seeing skincare in here. This is like a beige. I don't really wear this shade. I'll see if anyone wants that one in my family. What else did we get? I got a velour liquid lipstick. This is Celebrity Skin. We're going to go over the value on this in a few minutes. Okay, so again, flesh tone. I don't do flesh tone. Okay, got two more things in here. Okay. This one is the Supreme Gloss. I do like the Supreme Gloss, by the way. I'll have to say, this is a nice product, as long as it's a color that I like. What? Oh, yeah, I like this shade. This is called More Than Friends. These actually are nice. I'll have to say, they have a really nice scent to them, and they have good coverage. Pink. Okay, so that's not bad. I'll put that in the like bin. And then I also got another Supreme Gloss. Is this the... I think this is like the limited edition or the special, I don't know, Valentine's Day one. It's called Fatality. That doesn't sound good. Is this like for the Valentine's Day one? I don't even know. Oh, it's pretty though. I like these. I like the Supreme Gloss, I gotta say. They do smell really good. So check that out. That's actually a nice shade. I like this shade for spring. So I think that's everything. I think I am back. Is that everything? That's everything. Okay, we're going to toss that box out of here. So, is this a good deal? That is the question. If you do not currently own Bloodlust, or Bloodlust is the purple one, the Blood Sugar, this is a nice palette. I gotta say, you get some nice browns in here. These are like normally like what, $48, but over Christmas I think they were doing them for $12. So let's call this $12. Okay, so that was $12. Let me see what else we got here. The two Supreme Gloss. I do love both of these colors. These colors are really hot. I will wear these. Let's call these like $10 each. So we're up to $32 of yay stuff. What else do we have? I'm a no on both of these, so these didn't do anything for me. I'll probably gift those off. I thought I was going to get like a Supreme Frost. I didn't. The little eyeshadows, these are like worth $1 each or so. I mean, I know they were doing these for like $1, so let's call this like $6 with this. So now we're up to like $40. Let's see, what else do we have here? Oh, the lip gloss. The lip gloss. I don't know about this lip gloss, you guys. I don't know if this could be salvaged. This is not looking good. This is like really, really wonky. I'll try to mix this up. Maybe it'll warm up. Let's say $10 on the lip gloss. So now we're up to $50. I paid $99. Keep that in mind. Live and learn. This, I'm going to call this like, I'm going to be generous and call this a $10 value. So now I'm up to $60 of stuff that I like. And then we have got the little extras here. So I will never use the Jeffree Star phone ring. This does not thrill me. It looks like a pacifier. What the heck is this thing? The bracelet, basically a no for me. And the ring light is a total no for me. So I basically paid $99 for $60 worth of stuff that I wanted. So that was a big... That was not a good deal. Oh, now I have lipstick on my teeth. I'll have to say, that's one of the problems with, you gotta be careful with the Supreme Gloss. It looks good, but sometimes it does get on your teeth. So you gotta be careful about that. Honestly, I'm more excited about my $12 Extreme Frost purchase. Honestly, like this was a good deal. And it was a good deal because like I said, it was only $12. And then I could have bought a couple of these other things. So, like I said, I was kind of hearing And I don't know if I'm right or wrong, but I gotta look at a couple of other videos. Like I said, I heard you either got a blush set or the mirror, and oh my gosh, the blush set would have been like way better because I love blush. I'm hearing a couple of people got mascara, but that might have been in the bigger box. But did I get my 12 items? Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. I think they're counting these as one item though. I'll have to say, because, okay, let me count one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I think this counts as one item, all of the eyeshadow. So still not like the best deal, but again, you know, it's on me, honestly. Like, I blame myself. I got caught up in the mystery. Live and learn. So what I've learned is I feel like Jeffree Star Cosmetics may be transitioning, like a lot of companies are, into a different type of mystery box where they're including more merch than they are makeup. And that's a definite no for me in the future, but now I know. Like I said, I do like the Jeffree Star eyeshadow. Like, that's the thing I think that is like my big yay moment of any of the products from Jeffree Star. I don't use the skincare at all. The lipstick, if it's on like super sale, sometimes I'll pick up the lipstick or the gloss. My gloss is starting to like merge together here. But, you know, other than the eyeshadow, you know, oh, I like the Skin Frost too. I like the Skin Frost. I like, you know, I need the blush, that kind of stuff. But, yeah, I think I may be done with the mystery boxes now. Anyway, let me know if you got one. I'm gonna say this was not worth it. That's my final take on this one. Anyway, I think I still have lipstick on my teeth. I will see you guys later. Bye bye.